क्रिकेट के 7 बेस्ट डेंजरस यॉर्कर्स। नंबर 7,
When you need him, he's always there. Hardik Pandya looked to Jasprit Bumrah. Jasprit.
नंबर 6,
This ball here, and now he's got 3 for 7 from his last 2 overs. That is class bowling from Jofra Archer.
नंबर 5,
Oh, what a ball! Could that be the game? Wahab Riyad.
नंबर 4,
Outstanding. Not quite.
नंबर 3,
Well, we're talking about Chris Jordan's form, weren't we? 4 for 11 in his last.
नंबर 2,
Brilliant! We're on a hat trick here, says
नंबर 1,
that one strikes it.